If AI feels confusing, scary, or like it might take your job, stop scrolling. This channel turns that fear into power. In the next few minutes, you'll see exactly how we'll help you use AI to save hours, grow your income, and stay ahead, no fluff, just pure results. Welcome to Mr. AI Boombastic, the place where AI learning is simple, practical, and made for real life in the world. Think of this channel as your daily AI buddy. One part news you can use, one part step-by-step tutorials, and one part plug-and-play playbooks that you can adapt today. Here's what you can expect. Frequent Boombastic Briefs, 60 to 90-second updates on the biggest AI tools and changes, what dropped, why it matters, and how to use it today. Weekly deep dives, real workflows for work and home, email triage, meeting notes, content creation, research, spreadsheets, and automation, all step-by-step. Prompt playbooks, copy-paste prompts for Gen AI, resumes, sales emails, video scripts, study plans, marketing copy, tested and ready to go. Career safety, practical guides to protect your role, get more done, and become the person who knows how to use AI better than anyone else on your team. Creator and business systems, YouTube automation, client deliverables, and small business growth stacks with clear ROI. Worried AI might replace you? The fastest way to stay safe is to become the person who uses it best. This channel gives you the exact templates, prompts, and workflows so you can implement fast and show results your boss or your clients can't ignore. Everything here is built for speed, clarity, and impact. No hype, no technobabble. Just practical AI that works in the real world, tested across creators, students, SMBs, and working professionals in the world. And because AI changes fast, we keep you future-proof with quick refreshers, best new tools, and monthly challenges that turn learning into action. Watch, adapt, implement, win daily. If you're ready to learn AI the smart way, hit subscribe, tap the bell, and drop a comment with the one task you want AI to help you with this week. Welcome to Mr. AI Boombastic, your new edge in the AI era.